everyone, welcome to Stampin' Grotto. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little greeting card. This is made using the Nature's Prints stamp set as well as the matching Naturals print dies. And we are using polished pink and soft succulent for our colors today. So stay tuned. Okay, so to start, we are going to use the Nature's Prints stamp set and the Natural Prints matching dies. I took a piece of polished pink and I cut it to 11 inches by 4 1/4 inches, and then I scored it 5 1/2, and this gives me my card base. And then I took a piece of vellum and I cut it to 3 3/4 by 5, and I ran this through the Hive 3D embossing folder. That'll go like that. And then I took a piece of soft succulent, and using the die from the Naturals Prints dies, I die cut this one here to form kind of a wreath. And then in polished pink ink, I stamped the best wishes and happy thoughts, and then I die cut it using this labels die from the same die set, the Natural Prints. So this is going to create the card front. So to do this, I am just going to pick a couple points here, 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 and here to use some glue dots to glue this vellum down. And I'm just going to put this centered on my card front. Press that down. So you can't really see the glue dots through here. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my liquid glue, and I'm just going to dot a little bit here and there around my little wreath. And then I'm going to lay this down just like this, and I'm going to lightly press it down so that the glue has a chance to adhere. And then I'm going to take a few Stampin' Dimensionals and I'm going to pop up my sentiment. And I'm just going to pop that up kind of in the center here. Just like this. And then I'm going to use a few of these opal gems. And using my take your pick tool, I'm just going to take a few of them and lay them on my card front. So there is the front of the card, and then on the inside I cut a piece of basic white. This is cut to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and this will just go in here just like this. And to help accent the inside of the card a little bit, I took this fern stamp. This is also from the Nature's Prints, and in polished pink, I just stamped one on the top on the left and one on the bottom on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that down as well. And there we have a pretty quick and simple card. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and as always, if you are interested in seeing more, please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone!